Hi, I'm Mark from eReplacementParts.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the electric starter on your Troy-Bilt TB280ES lawnmower. We'll get started by first removing the battery cable from the starter wiring harness. Next, I'll remove the engine cover. To give us a little easier access to some of the other components, I'm going to remove the air filter cover and the air filter. Next, I'll remove the fuel line from the carburetor. I want to clamp off the fuel line so that any fuel that's in the tank doesn't spill out. Now I can remove the hose clamp. And pull the fuel line away from the carburetor. Now I'll remove the fuel tank. It's held in place with 3 bolts on the top and 1 bolt on the side down below. Now I'm just going to disconnect the wires between the starter and the rest of the wiring harness. And now I can remove the starter assembly from the engine. Now we can begin reinstalling the starter assembly. First, I'll bolt the starter back to the side of the mower. Now I can reconnect the wiring harness to the starter motor lead. Now we'll reinstall the fuel tank. As I slide the fuel tank back onto the motor, I find this is a good time to also install the fuel line. Now I'll slide the fuel line hose clamp back up onto the nipple on the carburetor and remove my fuel line clamp. Now I can replace the air filter and air filter cover. Next comes the motor cover. And we'll finish up by reconnecting the battery lead to the wiring harness. And now you know how you can replace the electric starter on a Troy-Bilt TB280ES lawnmower. We hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment or ask us a question.